Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite salad recipes. This salad uses the most humble ingredient, an ingredient that is often neglected and overseen. And this humble ingredient is none other than the beetroot. So let's get started. So I've already got my beetroots boiled, and when I was boiling them I actually put in a little salt to help retain the beetroot flavor. And what I'm doing here right now is just sort of cutting these into quarters. So, like so. Alright, so now that I've got my beetroots cut in quarters, I'm actually ready to plate. You can do this any way you like, but this is just my little way of doing it. So I'm actually just going to be lining them up, like so. And then the next thing we're going to be doing is just drizzling some extra virgin olive oil. Alright, and we've got some salt. I'm using pink Himalayan. You can use regular table salt as well. Alright, so then followed by the salt, we've got some black pepper. Alright, so moving on to the next ingredient, and probably the main ingredient that sort of ties everything together, which is this goat's cheese. So I've got a huge hunk here. It's by a company called Celebrity, but you're more than welcome to use any goat's cheese. And if you're a little iffy about the flavor of the goat's cheese, you can definitely swap it with some feta, but I recommend using goat's cheese because it really pairs well with the beetroot. So what we're going to be doing is just sprinkling some onto the plate. Now the goat's cheese is very soft, so you have to be very gentle with it or else it'll just sort of stick all over your fingers. And there's no right way to do this. You're just going to randomly sort of sprinkle it on. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be adding are some pistachios. I am using these salted ones, so before I use them, I'm just going to take them out of their shell. And then what we're actually going to be doing with pistachios is just roughly slicing or chopping them. You can definitely keep them as whole as well, but I personally prefer just kind of slicing them up into smaller pieces. Okay, so like that, and then you just want to randomly sprinkle it on to your plate. Alright, so there. So next up, we've got some mint leaves, and what we're going to be doing is just finely slicing them and using them as garnish for your salad. So I'm using about 3 leaves. You can always add more if you want a stronger mint flavor. Okay. Right. And then just sprinkle it on. And the last bit is just using a lime and squeezing some freshly squeezed lime juice to finish. Okay, so some lime juice. Right, that should be good. And just for the last bit, just a little drizzle of olive oil. And there you have it. The beet salad is ready to eat. So like I said, it's quick, well, I'm not sure I said that, but it's quick, it's easy, it's fresh, and it's super healthy and super yummy. So try it out and leave me your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.